today's video I'm going to show you the beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. This is Bomburu waterfall. Shall we go to visit Bomburu? Travel to Sri Lanka. Reaching the destination from Colombo, take Colombo Talawakele road and take the right at the Blackpool Junction to Blackpool Magastota Road. Turn right to Peradine Badulla Highway and travel up to Galagama Junction. Turn left to Galagama Ambagastuva Road and travel 4.5 kilometers. Turn left at the bend to Bomburu Road. Bomburu Falls is widest waterfalls in Sri Lanka. It is 50 meters height and situated in Sita Elia Kandapala Forest Reserve. This is a beauty belong to the both Nuvareli and Badulla districts. Some considers this beauty as the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. The road is in a good condition up to the village where you need to start the hike to reach the waterfall. The walk to the waterfall base requires a bit of a hike and climb, but the breathing view and the cool weather prevents you from feeling any tiredness at all. The hike will be 2 and 3 kilometers through the forest. At the start, you must walk along an irrigation channel that brings water to the paddy field from the Bomburu. You will also meet small cascades along the way to meet their eldest sibling. Once you reach the top, the waterfall is magnificent. You can rest, have a picnic and take a bath if you wish. Camping at this location is prohibited by the relevant government authorities of Sri Lanka. There is enough parking space at the starting point of your hike. The water of Bomburu has been diverted to a powerhouse in that area and the cultivation purpose. Coined as the widest waterfall in Sri Lanka, the Bomburu Falls, also known as Peravella Falls, is a natural work of art fed by the upper segment of the principal tributary of the Uma River. The waterfall is the collection of little jungle waterfalls branches together, creating 165 feet. This is very beautiful waterfall in the Sri Lanka. So if you wish to travel into Sri Lanka, you must watch this waterfall. It's very easy to climb and it's a very amazing place. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Shall we meet again? Bye bye.